Housecall Pro lets you send an estimate in just a few taps, and once a customer approves it, you can convert it into a job without retyping anything. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to build, send, and track estimates inside Housecall Pro without missing any steps. Here's the direct answer. To send an estimate in Housecall Pro, you create a customer profile, build the estimate with line items, choose your delivery method, and send it. The customer can review and approve it from their phone or email. Start inside your dashboard. Go to UA Customers, and either open an existing customer or create a new one. This matters because every estimate has to be attached to a customer record. Next, tap in New Estimaten. 2. This opens the estimate builder. Add your service items one by one. That can be labor, materials, diagnostics, or anything else you bill for. Housecall Pro lets you save these as pricebook items, so if you use the same repair often, you won't need to type it again. Set your quantity price and any notes. If you charge sales tax, make sure tax settings are turned on before sending. A lot of people skip this and have to fix the invoice later. Now, check the total. This is where you want to review everything before sending, because once the customer sees it, changes can create confusion. After that, hit Oinen. You usually get two options: text message or email. Text gets opened faster. Email gives customers a cleaner breakdown. If the job is over a few $100s, email usually looks more professional. When the customer gets it, they can tap the estimate, review the pricing, and approve it digitally. That approval updates inside Housecall Pro automatically. Here's the useful part. Once approved, you can convert that estimate straight into a scheduled job. That keeps customer info, pricing, and notes connected. No copy-paste. No duplicate entries. If the customer wants changes, open the estimate, edit the line items, and resend it. Housecall Pro tracks the updated version. A couple things to watch. Make sure your notification settings are active. If texts or emails are disabled, the estimate won't go out. Also, double-check the customer's phone number or email. Wrong contact info is the most common reason estimates don't send. Quick recap. Create the customer, build the estimate, review pricing, and send it by text or email. Then convert approved estimates into jobs to save time. Your next step is simple. Create a test estimate and send it to yourself so you can see exactly what your customers will get. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Housecall Pro tutorials.